What's up, babe? Yellow everything this time, you know what I'm talking about? Yellow rims, yellow big booty, yellow palms, yellow lamb.
What'd you bring this time?
Yellow MPs, yellow watch.
What'd you bring this time?
Yellow charm ring, chain. Yellow
that right?
moon set. Lemonade Gucci shoes for my girl. My family sitting on sixes, no 20s in my gun. Look at this motor knocking, because it is a lemon. I like them Georgia peaches, but you look more like a lemon. Me sour apple bitter bitches, I'm not fucking with them. I'm truly stupid, babe, this is how I do today. I'm moving slow, cause go these zeros in my lemonade. I'm standing in the shade, and I'm selling lemonade. Sizzling up like the gold, up in the air. Lemonade, diamond, they put it in your face.
Hey, yo, man. Look. We're back at the shop. Like nothing. Like nothing. Like nothing. You motherfucker. When you go that way. Damn, I forgot you had this. Ooh, I forgot how good it sounded.
Do burnout.
Not warm yet, buddy. Come on.
I ain't been started in a minute. You can tell me don't burn out right out the gate. Hey, look.
We gotta do some organizing out here. We got Matt grinding his bass and what I welded up last night. I got Ashley coming with her Mustang. I'm gonna do an oil change on it real quick. And then I'm gonna pull my engine after we organize this side. But yeah, another nice day. It's supposed to be crappy tonight and tomorrow. But we'll see. Hey, we'll see.
That looks 10 times better though. I know it's just primer, but seeing it all one color back, and actually a good fucking matches the car.
Almost.
And then just do the back part of the good.
No more whatever color it was before. Brown?
Rosewood brown.
What was it?
Rosewood brown.
Rosewood brown. I thought it was a teal, but I'm just colorblind.
That's like cute.
Yeah, my dude.
That's blue. Attention to details.
That one, and then the front, huh? Almost 100% Rosewood brown is gone.
One step closer.
She's close to go wrong.
They're gonna come back with blinker fluid.
Oh, I have the front thing too. I sent that shit back too. That's the one you got. The what thing? The front.
Oh.
We'll just put that last thing. We'll do that shit last.
Let it dry.
Looks good though.
30
I know it's
fucking.
just primer, but
You couldn't
You
even.
got the hole's gone, right?
gone, dude.
That's just first layer of primer, you know. We're gonna come back and do like just a skim coat over it.
Is that your? Is that tray you were so happy about? Fuck yeah, dude. That's a good fry holding tray right there.
That's a good burger holder.
Pull out to the peak and that. I wouldn't even. My car hates going on the new road.
I'm not taking that car to the peak. Josh would kill me, and I would kill me.
What are we doing on this piece of?
Actually, they moved it, so there's not gonna.
You got that fast side?
Yeah, when I was out there today printing off some paperwork, there's fucking. They gave me the codes to the gate, but I forgot them. What are we doing on this one?
Put some boom chicka boom boom in it. Well, it's out. Only took me and Matt, what, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna take all my accessories off and maybe pull that pan and see what the fuck happened. Well, Matt's making progress over here. Slowly but fucking surely. Yeah. The process, but
It's gonna look fire
Yeah.
when it's
it's gonna
done.
look good at the end. XCRX, I'm probably gonna work on this a little bit. Here in a little bit, we gotta make some mounting for the intercooler and this radiator, and then we can probably start it. And then old Matt came and brought his drag tires by. We're gonna swap them out for him so we can start doing some testing on his new setup. But yeah, other than that, just gonna get to work right quick. Alright, we back. I got all that pulled off. I was gonna pull the trans and everything off, but I was like, man, let me look inside these holes right quick. I bent that valve. That valve was bent, right? That first one? The first one's bent. And it don't move when I crank the engine, so I'm gonna get it on it. I'm gonna take the trans off, get it on the engine stand, take the valve cover off, see what happened. And we'll get you on time lapse. Oh, Maddie working away.
Pull up with a stick, let it hit. Pull up with the stick, let it hit. Pull up with the stick, let it hit. Pull up with the stick, let it hit. I put this on the 10, I'm a in. In life, no beginning. Fuck a friend, bitch, I'm with the mob. You can't get in. We commit to see it. Free my niggas in the pen. Free or murder, my whole shit. Bitch, things get killed. Thought she was dancing on it, did. That's the clip. When go shoot up in the air, you getting hit. Just GF, we ain't clicking up with shit. Got that hoe screaming, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ha ha! This first one?
Yeah.
It's bent, right? It's not even moving when I... What is it?
Oh, it's the other valves.
Oh.
My dumbass.
Oh. What? I'm gonna continue tearing this down. See how far I get in an hour or two.
Real murder, more shit, perk gang, that my gang, gang, gang. Loaded family, nigga, ain't no way I'm changing. Oh no, no. Get the commas, get the cash, do the numbers. I've been grinding all summer, getting that lumber. Pull up, we take shit, give me that. Pull up, we let that shit down. And no, we ain't basic bitch. Oh yeah, pull in your hood with them round. My wrist is on the 10, on the 10. I'm in that Benz, I let her get in, her and her friends. Loso loaded coming straight out the jungle. Loso loaded coming straight out the dirt. Loso loaded get that check on the third, and Loso loaded get that check on the first. Crime paid, did the lie that I chose. I saw the gang niggas straight up in gold. Hellcat, yeah, it came with the kit. Bases loaded, nigga, I'm on my shit. Burning rubber on a bro nigga stick. Pull up with a stick and I let it hit.
Got one tire done. I don't know if you hear me over the air compressor, but you might. Doint, 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 doint. Just like that. Pushing for the cushion, huh? There you go, Matt.
Best tire guy you ever had?
The only tire guy I ever had.
Yeah.
Hey! There it is. There it is. Woo! This is really cool.
I'll just leave the air. You can one with the air.
There you do yourself. Hell yeah. Another satisfied customer. But I continue to do
Bam.
my engine.
How
I
long
think
did we do
Maddie's
that?
dipping. Well, we'll see what's up to next. What? Shattered the oil pump. Maybe just a guide. I don't know. Yeah, that's what happened. I knew when I had no oil pressure, I shut it right off. Oh yeah, something in there is messed up. Something in there is messed up. Damn. Well, I'm probably gonna take the oil pan off, check it out. Get everything ready to be put on this K24 I have. Everything should just go right over. My turbo kit, everything. But then, yeah, maybe rebuild this. I have a K28 head that I got from a buddy. A2 head, so we're gonna throw that on here maybe with pistons and rods. We'll see, but I don't know yet. Well, I could put a K20 on my list of engines that I've blown. Fuck. Look, the oil pan blew out. I pulled the oil pan and the pump was sitting there like that. Ah, fuck. Yeah. Hello. Damn. Well, you can't take K28.3s to 10K. Nah, it's... We had a good run, girl. Now it's time for you. But Matt will be here to pick up his wheels and then, yeah. Oh, Saturday, next day. Saw it was cold and snowy yesterday. Look today, about 50 degrees. Hopefully tomorrow will be nice for Easter. We got a little barbecue Easter hunt here. But, yeah. Got the G going, just giving a little detail wash. Gotta get this plastic dip off, we'll do that right now. Riley just came through, clean the inside. Not bad. Air expression washer in the Civic that we just picked up. Little white. We don't know why it doesn't start. I got here in a little bit. I'm gonna continue cleaning this and get this ready for sale. Well, there it is. We kind of just primered and got done, and then Matt was like, "I liked it."
Yeah.
So fuck it.
You're gonna be careful driving home because your hands look. You went through a murder case.
Ain't nobody gonna pull us over, huh? He's driving, not me. But yeah, we'll probably. Dad, look at that corner on the camera. It's all shiny.
It looks different from the camera.
It does. The color's a lot brighter. It's already getting darker. But it's about 9:30 at night. I'm gonna touch this up a little bit, get home, and start the week Monday. Hopefully get the CRX rolling this week. I gotta get the thermostat on the G, thermostat on the EG. Gotta swap all my stuff over to the K24 and drop it. And then we gotta get Maddie an engine. So, we'll see you in the morning. Hey, I got here way earlier, but I didn't record. Just got done with some stuff. Got down and dirty. Took all this off, but I need a different neck. So, I'm gonna order the delete kit for that. Put it on the new manifold, but I don't know how I like it. We'll see. Once I get the turbo off that manifold, throw it on there, we'll see what it look like. Oh, Matty Boy's Bay. Damn, look at it. Looks real red in the camera. Looks like a maroon, really. Might throw another clear coat on that right quick before I leave. But yeah. Here at Allen's. Just took out about 5 gallons of 85. Like that, a little better, huh? Yeah. Drive down the street now.
Can't wait for it to be fucking driving right.
You'll get it. Sounds good right now.